Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shahid Nawab. I am here to learn English from YouTube, only YouTube, not any other platform. Let's do it together. I'm doing this for myself, for that I can read, write in English language. I can speak English language. And the purpose is majorly for studying abroad and also the dealing with the clients, majorly the US, UK clients for working. Here's my experience for the last 2 years in e-commerce. Like I have sold too much things on especially eBay. I worked with a client from the UK, United Kingdom, on the eBay site. You will know that. If you don't know that, I won't tell you. I have expertise in eBay, selling the products like drop shipping from Amazon to eBay majorly. We have done it. It was very profitable business. After that, there is too much allegations there because the drop shipping is not legal process for earning from the eBay. Then I moved to the TikTok shop. The TikTok shop was a new platform. It helps sellers too much. I worked with one UK client and I have worked with US clients, two of the US clients' business accounts. I have too much expertise in these two. If there is anyone who's in the UK or US wants to do business on eBay or TikTok shop, can concern me. We can have a good deal on business. After that, now I'm trying to study abroad. After all the failures in the TikTok shop and eBay, I have decided to move abroad for the study purpose. I have done masters in mathematics from Islamia University, but now I'm trying to move abroad. Major goal of studying abroad is to earn money majorly. But I don't know why the people are very too much excited, overexcited to move abroad. Not only abroad, even in the Schengen countries like Germany, France, Italy, like that countries. The dunkers are very popular there, very popular. The stories of the dunkers are very ridiculous in the way they reach over there. That's very painful stories. Some of the students like that have died also, but the agents, consultants which are offering the donkey style visiting other countries are too much. They are saying the done based visa like that. Then I have decided to move to the major cities, major countries like USA, UK, Germany, France, Italy, Europe, any other European country. Is there anyone can tell us why we want to move there? We have not any specific reason to move there. No, not any specific reason. But I want some reasons to go there. But for that, because we want to go there, we have to learn English language, German language, France, Italian, like that languages. For that purpose, I have started YouTube for the first time to improve my English language majorly. The major purpose of improving English is to dealing with the clients, and if we go through the embassy, we can talk to him in a good way. For that purpose, I need your support. I need YouTube support to help us. And here we go for the journey. Starts. Let's see what happened next. If you have any query regarding English language, you can concern me. You can leave me a comment. Then we can move next. If you want any kind of video for any specific country, I am moving to the next video will be of the European country like one of the France, Italy, or Germany. One of these specific video. So my major aim is to not to speak in Urdu or any other language. For that purpose, I'm trying to best to speak in the front of camera like that, in front of YouTube. Let's improve in it in a few days. Let's see what happens. If you also want to learn English, the only way to learn English is to speak English, to talk in English with the others, with the family, with like that. So that YouTube is our family. So let's start with it. Leave a comment if you also want to study abroad and also want any kind of information for any country. I have too much information about the countries visiting or study visa like that, which will be describing in next videos. So keep in touch. Let's do it together. Thank you. Have a good day.